Hi guys!
In this puzzle, we see a beautiful farm. In this farm, cows, sheep, and hedgehogs are grazing and bees are flying on the flowers. In the past, cows plowed the fields and farmers planted weeds. After the Industrial Revolution, machines came to help farmers. In this puzzle, we see a tractor that is harvesting crops and doing agricultural work. We see a windmill that works with wind power and turns wheat into wheat flour so that we can bake bread with it. I hope you enjoy this beautiful puzzle. Please subscribe to Dr.Puzzle channel and introduce the channel to your friends.